Hello and welcome to our 37 in 1 sensor kit series. Today we are discussing about our 14th sensor, that is the big sound sensor. A big sound sensor is a module that detects sound and its intensity. Applications of big sound sensor varies in range and can be used for security, control and monitoring. You can take advantage of controlling the presence of sound using the module. You can select a point of sound intensity and detect sound when it exceeds a set of points. Sound set point adjust with the mounting screw hole is used to make the module more or less sensitive. When it is set to be less sensitive, more sound is needed to trigger the device and vice versa. Turn clockwise to make it more sensitive and counterclockwise to make it less sensitive. Power LED illuminates when power is applied and sound detection LED illuminates when a sound is detected. There are some key components of the sensor like the microphone, sound set point adjust, operational amplifier, power LED, sound detection LED, and the main 4 pins: the analog output, digital output, the ground, and the voltage.